So now that you have understood the 7 laws of sales में मोल भाव, it is now time to create a plan of action. करना क्या है? आपको 7 लॉ समझ में आ गया। आइए क्विकली आपको सातों लॉ एक बार रिवाइज करा देता हूँ। लॉ नंबर 1, so 7 laws of sales negotiation. Law number 1, do not start negotiation unless you're the buyer's top choice. Law number 2, explain the financial benefit of your offer to the customer. Law number 3, anticipate getting squeezed by the customer. Law number 4, increase the size of pie by monetizing all tangibles and intangibles. Law number 5, take position based on customers' interest. Law number 6, do not give without getting. Law number 7, know your walkaway points in a negotiation. Now that you have understood all the 7 laws of negotiation, let us create a plan of action. What is to be done? So law number 1 था become top choice of the customer. So law number 1 को follow करने के लिए एक create a top choice manual. ये आपको करना है, आपको एक टॉप चॉइस मैनुअल बनानी है जिसमें आप वो सारी डिटेल लिखेंगे कि हाउ विल यू बिकम द टॉप चॉइस ऑफ द कस्टमर. ओके, देन यू हैव टू क्रिएट ए एफएबी चार्ट, feature advantage benefit chart, because you will have to, law number 2 says that you have to explain the financial benefit of your product to the customer. तो आपको एक एफएपी चार्ट बनानी है. फिर लॉ नंबर 3 says anticipate getting squeezed on prices, तो आपको एक sellers बांटना बनाना है by making use of 5 cake theory, right? And then law number 4 says monetize all the intangibles, create a currency on the table. So you'll have to list of positions that your customer could be interested in, right? क्योंकि जब आप सारी positions को लिखेंगे और उस position को monetize करके देंगे customer को, तो law number 5 and 4 दोनों applicable हो जाएगा. फिर उसके बाद आपको एक give and take kit बनाना है. What will you ask in return before you give something to the customer, right? So prepare a give and take kit and then create walkaway points, because walkaway points, law number 7, is not only about price. It's about price, quality, service, and upgradability. So on these 4 parameters, create your walkaway point. So friends, when you fulfill this plan of action, then you will understand the meaning of the statement, सही मोल लगाने पर ही उचित भाव मिलेगा. अगर आपको सही मोल लगाना नहीं आता है, आपको उचित भाव नहीं मिलेगा, और यही सेल्स में मोल भाव का कमाल है दोस्तों. So thank you very much for participating in this sales में मोल भाव का program, and I hope this plan of action will help you in creating a robust plan for all your sales negotiations.